guys, thanks for making it back to my channel. Today's look is going to be a no makeup look, strictly for the ladies who aren't wearing makeup, and this is just for your everyday woman who's running out the house, who has to go handle errands, who have to take care of kids but still want to be cute. How I got this no makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, this is going to be my finished look. We're also going to use Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow. It's a retractable brow pencil, and it's in dark brown. One side has the pencil part and the other side has the spoolie part. Know that the spoolie is most important to doing your brows, so we're just going to brush those out. Usually I use the brow pomade, but strictly for this video I'm just going to use the pencil. I think a pencil is better for people who are starting off. So and you're just outlining the brow using small strokes. And then I do the top. And then just using that spoolie to do that front and throughout. Anyway, so I'm going to use the Age of Wine and Caramel, going in with a flat brush. Doing the outline first, and then we go over to perfect it. Careful. To sharpen the brow. You can use any kind of blending type brush you have. You got Caustic dome shaped concealing brush. The Glow Enhancer Drops by Rue Beauty. It's going to be in rose gold. If I did not use this, I would use NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. It comes just a lightweight liquid illuminator that gives the skin a refreshed glow. I almost forgot, before we move on to that glow, we're going to use our NYX Matte Bronzer. You can use any kind of face powder that you have that's similar to the complexion of you. And just to finish getting off that cast on your brows, we're just going to pat that in and blend it. They did, and you know, cute girl. I won't be looking. Go see. So that's why. And because I got my lashes on, girl, we not letting these go to waste. Okay. I'm just literally, because this goes on so deep. This is all you need. Mega Glow highlighting powder, and it's in Awesome Blossom. It's by e.l.f. And the same way that I put the liquid gold illuminator is where I want to put my highlighter. Very light, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to do too much. So with this kind of natural look, I would either put lip gloss or I would put like a really popping lip. So my popping lip is really blue. And I'm hitting the pan on it. Okay, but we're still making it work. So I'm using, I should have used a brush, but it's whatever. Alright, so we didn't put any foundation on the face. We did a highlight. I already had my lashes on, so if you wanted to put lashes on or mascara. Start off, and quite honestly, if I didn't have these lashes, I probably would have put mascara. Okay, this is our finished look. I hope that you guys liked it, and if you want to see anything else, let your girl know.